Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to share my creepy baby dolls that I've been working on. The first guy up are the ones from the Dollar Tree. These are for Diamond, my daughter. She asked me to make her a little baby Jack. So that's what he looks like. This is just some felt I have. There is a little tiny bat right there. He's hard to see. I painted him, and my lines are a little wonky, but I think it looks cool. But that's baby Jack. And then I believe the character's name is Sam from Saw. And what I did for his hair is just eyelash trim, and I just kind of did hot glue going around and around and around, and then I just pressed it down. I like how I got that one curl though. So that's baby Sam from Saw. And then she also had me do Pennywise from the book It, or the movie. And I looked at the movie version, and he has like a belt and little puff balls that are like white and red, but I just did red. Got some lace going around his neck, his little hands, as well as his feet. And what I used for the hair on him is I took a little puff ball and I cut it in half, did hot glue and just smushed it down. And then his little balloon is just a pipe cleaner and a balloon. So that's Pennywise from It. Them are the Dollar Tree baby dolls. I know she's picking a few more up because she wants me to do a few more for her. I don't remember the characters. And then when my neighbors moved out, I helped my landlord clean out their garage and their house, and they had all these little dolls that they didn't take, so I kept them. I couldn't see filling into landfill. I'm like, I can come up with something. This was one of them. And it's a bigger version of the Dollar Tree dolls. So I made me a little baby Frankenstein. And then I got these out of my husband's nuts and bolts for his little bolts in his head. Just painted his hair on. I made the paint gooey because I wanted that texture on him. Got the little surgical marks, and then I put a little diaper on him and a safety pin. And that's my little baby Frankenstein. Frankenstein's my favorite character. So that's my baby Frankenstein. And then the other dolls that I got from the neighbors, I made a little scary pumpkin gal. I worked on her a little bit on a live. And I painted her orange all throughout. Her body's orange as well. Cut a dress out for her. Did her face kind of weird looking. I wanted it spooky-ish. And then I took little beads and put some string through it to look like she has hair. It's not my favorite. I had a different idea, but it didn't work, but she's spooky enough for me. So that's that one. It's got the little dress. She's going to see it like that, but she's kind of scary, and my daughter said she likes her, so I might give her to Diamond. And of course, my mummy baby. I finished him. He looks like a burn victim. Diamond says more than a mummy, but he's a mummy. And then it's what he looks like when he's done. He'll sit like this on the couch. And I was going to go through and kind of blacken a little bit here and there, but I decided not to. But yep, this is my mummy baby. So them are my creepy dolls I made for Halloween. Kind of cool, creepy-ish. They just sit out and about. But I thought I'd share them with you so you could see what they all look like. I like my little Frankenstein. He's my favorite. But I thought I'd come on and do a project, share my my creepy babies with you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.